Hello, this is Parkview Elementary's flipped classroom. Today is part 3 of simplifying algebraic expressions. Here's our objective for today. Algebraic expressions in one variable can be simplified by combining like terms. After simplifying expression, the expression is equivalent to the original. Turn your study guide to part D on 7.3. Use order of operations to simplify algebraic expressions. We're going to simplify x plus 6x plus 2x. Now, remember the order of operations. Parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, adding, subtracting. That is the order. Since this is all adding, we can do this from left to right. Always left to right when we don't have parenthesis or exponents or multiplication or division. Now, we have learned how to simplify. X plus 6x would be 7x plus 2x, which would be 9. Let's look at x plus 6x plus 2x. Well, first of all, x plus 6x is 7x plus 2x. I'll put the 9x up here. Now let's do 7x minus 5x minus x. 7x minus 5x is 2x. Minus x equals 1x. Did you notice how I moved from left to right? Now we're going to simplify 9x minus 3x minus 2x. X minus 3x is 6x. Minus 2x equals 4x. Again, I moved from left to right. Caution! When adding or subtracting terms with no parenthesis, always work from left to right. Let's look at this example. I couldn't move backwards and say 5x minus 1 is 4x minus 7x. That is not what this is saying. Not. We cannot move backwards. We have to move from left to right. 2x minus x equals x. This equals 3x. So don't confuse yourself. Do not work backwards. Always work from left to right. Again, we could not say, okay, I'm going to do addition first and say 5x. No. We have to move from left to right. So 9x minus 3x is 6x plus 2x. 6x plus 2x equals 8x. This 9x minus 5x is 4x. They do not equal each other. That we cannot move backwards. Now it's your turn. Practice simplifying each expression. Remember, go left to right. J plus 3j equals 4j. Did you write it down in your study guide, plus 2j equals 6j. You're correct. Next, 9y minus 3y. Moving from left to right, 9y minus 3y is 6y. Minus 4y equals 2y. You're correct. Now do these on your own. Check with the substitute, and he or she will check your answers on page 235. Remember the upside down triangle. Your answer should come down into a triangle. I put this one out to the side because I knew I wouldn't have room, but I still tried to do the triangle. Just to simplify algebraic expressions. The figure shows a parallelogram. Find the perimeter of a parallelogram. Perimeter means adding up all the sides. So let's write the expression. We'll start here. R plus 8 plus R plus 8. Now we're going to combine like terms. R plus R plus 8 plus 8. We're going to combine the terms. Then we can continue to do it by saying 2R added to 16. So our perimeter is 2R plus 16 centimeters. Here's a math note. The commutative property of addition. Two numbers can be added in any order, just as we have done here. I could take them out and put them in any order, the two numbers. For an example, 4 plus a equals a plus 4. Now, we're going to collect the terms to simplify algebraic expressions again. Here is our next problem. We're going to simplify 5x minus 2 plus 3x. And again, we're moving from left to right. We're going to simplify 5x minus 2 plus 3x. We're going to identify the like terms. Here are the like terms. We're going to change the order of the terms to collect like terms. I'm going to put 5x and 3x together. Now, because this is an addition sign, we're going to put this here because we're going to say 5x plus 3x because we put the terms together. Now I'm taking my subtraction symbol and I'm going to subtract 2. Now again, I will take this and I will combine the terms. 5x plus 3 is 8x, and then I will subtract 2. (5x minus 2 plus 3x) and 8x minus 2 are equivalent expressions because they are equal for all values of x. Now here's how we prove it. if we say that x is 2, then we would say, let's just give that a try. 5x is 2 minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. So, remember, order of operations, we do multiplication first. 5 times 2 is 10 minus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 6. So now 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 6 equals 14. And if you notice, so if we say that this is worth 2, we would say 8 times 2 minus 2 equals 16 minus 2 equals 14. So it is exactly the same. Caution. 8x minus 2 does not equal 6x because 8x and 2 are not like terms. 8x is one term, 2 is another term. This cannot be simplified any further. Now it's your turn to practice. The figure shows a quadrilateral. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. If you have to, back the video up and see how I did the parallelogram, how I wrote the perimeter expression, and how I simplified it, how I collected the like terms. Here are some other simplifying expressions. Please remember to collect the terms and rewrite them. To wrap up, in this video you've learned algebraic expressions in one variable can be simplified by combining like terms. After simplifying expressions, the expression is equivalent to the original expression. Now it's your turn to practice 7.3 in your study guide. Complete all of the practice 7.3, 1 through 26. 24 and 25 are challenge expressions. Number 26 is a math journal questions. Email me your response. Thank you for those who have been emailing me each day. Once finished, have the sub correct and move to either the reteach packet or the extra practice packet 7.3. Tomorrow, you will finish 7.3 extra practice or reteach. Hope you had fun learning how to simplify algebraic expressions.